Hi, Devin Gall here, one of your True Blue Power Field Service engineers. Have you ever needed a smaller or lighter solution to power your electronics, galley, Medivac, or special emissions equipment? Well, the TI2000 takes 20 to 36 volts DC input and outputs 115 volts AC at 60 Hertz, 230 volts at 50 Hertz, and can also do 115 volts at 400 Hertz. At a nominal input of 28 volts DC, the TI2000 can consume up to 70 amps and output a max of 2,000 watts of power. All of the inputs and outputs can be found on the 8-pin connector on the front of the unit. Pin A is going to be your DC input. Pin B is going to be the RS485 positive sync for your 3-phase. Pin C is going to be your AC output. Pin D is going to be your RS485 negative. Pin E over here is going to be your output return for the AC. Pin F is going to be the remote on and off. Pin G is going to be your DC return or negative. And pin H is going to be the fault line. In the event of an overvoltage or undervoltage condition at the input, the TI2000 can automatically disable the output. When the overvoltage or undervoltage condition has been removed, the output will be automatically re-enabled. In addition to the input voltage protections, the TI2000 has overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and over temperature protection. The TI2000 will automatically detect a short circuit, disable the output, and re-enable the output when the short circuit has been removed. The overcurrent protection engages automatically and disengages when the condition is no longer present. The TI2000 can actually output up to 110% of its rated power, or 2200 watts, before overcurrent protection will kick in. In the event of an over temperature condition, the TI2000 will automatically turn off the output and re-enable it when the unit cools down to operating temperature. The TI2000 utilizes 2 internal cooling fans to help maximize power output and useful life. The unit can also communicate any faults to you through a discrete pin that will provide a path to ground when active. The TI2000 also has the ability to be remotely operated. The TI2000 can be used in a 3-phase configuration for a total of 6,000 watts. On the back of the TI2000 is where you'll find the phase switch. Position 1 indicates single phase. Position 2 will be the primary for use in 3-phase. And position 3 and 4 will be the secondary units in 3-phase. In 3-phase operation, you'll want to make sure one unit is in position 2, one unit is in position 3, and then the final unit is in position 4. When using the TI2000 in 3-phase configuration, you'll want to go ahead and connect all of the B pins together in parallel and all of the D pins together in parallel. This will allow the units to communicate and sync together. If you have any questions, feel free to give one of your True Blue Power Field Service engineers a call.